You guys, are you getting ready to feel better, Jackson? Look at her. Good dogs. Well, you good dogs. Good dogs.
I'm so used to just seeing our porn that this feels like dog porn to me. Look at her face.
You like that, Katie? Are you so high right now? Oh, good dogs. Good dogs.
It's like she's... This feels like she's just being raped. Like she feels like she doesn't have a choice.
Good dogs. Oh, are you fixing her up nice? Good dogs.
This is weird.
Good dogs. Well, you good dogs.
Katie!
Good girl. Good dogs.
You don't need to film it for hours or anything. Okay.
No, my deal.
I'm not gonna stop no matter what I do. I can stop on Jackson doing anything.
Good dogs. Good dogs, huh? Come on up, Savannah. Come on up, girl. What are they doing? What are they doing, huh?
Jax.